everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the sync function on your Invisi-Tag app. This function is how enterprise customers use the cloud network to back up all of their info and ensure that all reports are automatically synced to their cloud network. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that our device is connected to internet, which as you can see, mine is connected to Wi-Fi. Now we're going to hit begin. All we're going to do is go to the main menu and hit sync, and our device will start syncing to the cloud. Now at the end of this, you're going to see some local changes and cloud changes. Local changes is where information is pulled down from the cloud network and into your device, and cloud changes is where information is pushed up into your cloud account. So as you can see, I have changes going up into my cloud account. Now, if you sync and you notice all of your information isn't going through, then on an Apple device, you're going to go to the Info button up in the top right-hand corner. But on an Android, there's going to be a little wrench icon in the lower right-hand corner. So I'm going to click Info, and then go down to Forceful Sync and make sure that that is turned on. Forceful Sync is basically a catch-all for your information, and it'll go through your entire database line by line and sync everything up when you go to sync. If you want, you can sync multiple times just to make sure everything is synced up. This is how simple and easy it is to use the sync function on your Invisi-Tag app.